Gruffydd ac yr Ynad Coch. O laeth byddai'n faith cynsau gansaw, o ladd llewn anfod, sefydd nancaf, llawer deigryn llythrig yn chwilio ar rydd, llawer ysglys rydd ar hwng arno, llawer gwaed am draed wedi ymdreiddio, llawer weddw a gweiddi amdano, llawer meddwl trwm yn tonwio, llawer mab heb dad wedi adael, llawer henfref ffraith wedi llwybr go ddaeth, a llawer ddiffwaith anraith dro. Llawer llef brian, fel barn fi gamlan. Llawer deigryn dros ran wedi greinio, o lias wanas, gwanar y llawn. O laeth Llywelyn, cof dyn, ddim daw, rewydd fal ffynwydd sy'n cringo. O'n i welwch chi hynt y gwynt ar glaw, o'n i welwch chi'r derwg yn darw, o'n i welwch chi'r bor yn harlysu'r tir, o'n i welwch chi'r gwir yn ymgreinio, o'n i welwch chi'r hael yn yr awyr yn hwylio, o'n i welwch chi'r ser wedi symffio, o'n i cerddwch chi yn niw ddynion ddynion, o'n i welwch chi'r byd wedi drafod, o hyd at y tidiw, nad ar môr dros brif. Pa beth ei geir i hwrlio, nid oes le y cychwyr rhan carchar braw, nid oes le o triger o'r trigo, nid oes na chyngor na chlo na gagor, un ffordd i esgwr brwyn gyngor braw.
Ac now in Saesneg, now in English, Gruffydd and Ynad Coch. For the death of old Britain, protector of Cynllaeth, dead lion of Nancoil, breastplate of Nancal, many a slippery tear scuds on the cheek, many a flank gaping and crimson, many a pool of blood round the feet, many a widow crying aloud for him, many a heavy thought goes errant, many a fatherless child abandoned, many a homestead flecked from the fire's path, and many a looted wilderness yonder. Many a tear has run down the cheek since the buttress is down, gold-handed chieftain, since Llywelyn is slain, my mortal wit fails me. The heart's gone cold under the breast of fear, lust shrivels like dried brushwood. See you not the way the wind and the rain? See you not oak trees buffet together? See you not the sea stinging the land? See you not truth in trevor? See you not the sun hurtling through the sky, and that the stars have fallen? Do you not believe God, demented mortals? Do you not see the whole world's danger? Why, O my God, does the sea not cover the land? Why are we left to linger? There is no refuge from imprisoning fear, and nowhere to hide, oh, such abiding. I see no counsel, neither lock nor opening, no way to escape fear's sad counsel.